Lie down on your back and close your eyes. Close your eyes. Be comfortable. Being comfortable, the neck joint, you can move your head right, left, up and down, and adjust your shoulders, the spine and the hips. The spine is very well aligned with the hip joints and the shoulders, and adjust and align your elbows and the wrist, knees, ankles, and the toes. The body is comfortable. We recheck. We scan the whole body, or we move our awareness and attention to all the joints. We are comfortable. Feel the head and the neck and become aware. Feel the right arm and become aware. Check now that it is a movement into awareness, not into thinking. Yes, for a couple of seconds we also have the thoughts, we also have the feeling. And as the rhythm, the movement of the awareness over the body takes over, we actually start moving into relaxation. Feel the left arm as if the awareness touches the left arm from the fingers to the shoulder, and there is some sensation. Awareness of the middle portion of the body. Feel the middle portion and become aware. Feel the right leg and become aware. Feel the left leg and become aware. Feel the whole body and become aware. Feel the whole body and become aware. In this state of awareness of the body, the second step, feel the shape of the head and the neck. Allow your awareness and attention to touch the entire head and the neck all over. And you may experience some sensation and experience the stillness, the shape of the right arm. Your awareness and attention moves from the fingers to the shoulder, and experience the stillness, the shape of the left arm, and experience the stillness, the shape of the middle portion of the body. Your awareness and attention moves from the shoulder to the hip joints. Experience the shape and experience the stillness as some sensation there. Awareness of the shape of the right leg, the shape of the right leg, and experience the stillness, the shape of the left leg, and experience the stillness, the shape of the entire body. Your awareness and attention moves from the top of the head to the toes, all around the skin of the body. We experience some sensation, yes, and experience the stillness. Now, in the state of awareness and stillness, move your awareness inside the body from the top of the head to the toes, saying mentally, I'm in peace, and here, what do you say? This is the third step of four-step relaxation practice. Your awareness moves inside the top of the head. You become aware of the empty space or the dark space. And you say, with love and emotion, I'm in peace. In that dark or the empty space, and you hear. Repeat it 3 more times. Mentally, your awareness enters into the body from the top of the head to the toes, and saying mentally, I'm in peace. Here, what do you say? Casually, with awareness and feeling. 2 more times. Now the breath awareness. No change in the rate or the rhythm of the breath. Just an awareness of the breath. Awareness of the breath means the air goes in and you feel the sensation. The air comes out, you feel the sensation. Air goes in, you feel the sensation. Air comes out. That is how we become aware of the sensation. Yes, the thought may come. The moment the thought comes, use the awareness of the thought to shift your awareness and attention on the breath again. Thought comes. Remind yourself what I was doing. Oh yes, I was aware of the breath. And take your awareness back to the breath. We need not to react to any thought. Not even the thought that I'm not getting the sleep. Because if that thought remains deep into your subconscious mind, no, just an awareness of the thought. Oh, it is midnight, I'm not getting asleep. No, yes, if the thought comes, no reaction, no response, just become aware and bring your awareness on the breath. Start changing the rate and the rhythm of the breath. Make your breath a little deeper, little silent. Every time the breath is totally silent, and start making the breath little deeper, deeper, and deeper. Maybe 4 or 5 breaths. You understand consciously the breath has become deeper. And now start counting the breath. Breathing in 1, out 1, in 2, out 2. Go on counting the breath, 25 breaths. You're counting the deep, silent, and slow breathing, gently as if you are singing deeper within your mind. That makes the difference. It brings the mind together with the breath. Once you complete the 25 breaths, just stop the counting and return to the normal breathing pattern. Continue counting. If you forget the counting, then start again from 1. Just in the state of awareness and stillness in the body, you are counting the breath. Yes, it happens naturally. We tend to forget the counting and we start again. Well, when we complete the 25, we just stop the counting, allow the breath to return to its normal pattern, habitual pattern. The deeper the breath, the better it is. But yes, we are in between the effort and no effort. And now drop the counting of the breath. Just maintain your awareness on the breath. We are also aware of the body. We are aware of the stillness in the body. And now aware of the breath, the normal breathing pattern, no change. Now the moment your breath goes in, look at the middle of the eyebrows, and as the breath goes in, chant mentally, aim, as if you are dropping aim with every breath going in through your forehead. When the breath comes out, it is coming out through the forehead. What it means? The moment the breath starts coming out, look at the forehead and drop the word aim in the outer space. As if you're playing with the aim that goes in. You look in the inner space inside the forehead, aim. Look outside in the outer space when the breath comes out, aim. 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 Continue dropping aim in the inner, in the outer space with the breath going in and coming out. And doing nothing, remain as you are. Just remain as you are. Yes, the thought may pass by. I'm getting sleep, I'm not getting sleep. Just maintain your awareness awareness of the body, the stillness in the body, the sense of calmness is there. We may also experience the tingling sensation in the body. We repeat the practice of awareness of the body. The four-step relaxation. Feel the head and the neck. And become aware. Feel the right arm and become aware. Feel the left arm and become aware. Feel the right leg and become aware when you feel, there is some sensation, maybe tingling or numbness.
I'm getting cold.
Getting cold, yes, it is tingling. Should I give you some blanket?
Yeah.
Awareness of the head and the neck. Awareness of the right arm. Feel the right arm and become aware. Feel the left arm and become aware. Feel the right leg and become aware. Feel the whole body. Randomly we can bring our awareness to the major parts, feeling and becoming aware of the entire body. And then we look at the shape of the head and the neck. Our awareness touches the skin all around the head and the neck. The mind starts moving within and experience the stillness, the shape of the right arm, stillness, the shape of the left arm, stillness, the shape of the right leg, and experience the stillness. The shape of the body, and experience the stillness. Move your awareness inside the body, saying mentally, I'm in peace in here. Moving your awareness and attention inside the body, in the empty space or the dark space, saying mentally, I'm in peace. Casually, with love, with the feeling, I'm in peace. Hearing it one more time. breath awareness, doing nothing, just the breath awareness. Do not change the rate or the rhythm of the breath at this moment. Air goes in, you feel the sensation. Air comes out, you feel the sensation. Now make your breath a little deeper, very gentle, pushing the breath in and out, making it little deeper, and start counting the breath. In one, out, into, yes, go on counting the breath. Not fast, very gentle. It is deep, it is silent, it is slow. When you're counting, look deep inside your body into the empty space. Just counting the breath. Counting the breath 1 to 25. Well, if we miss the counting, we can start again from 1. After completing, again we return to the same normal breathing pattern. And stop the counting of the breath. As the breath goes in, look inside the forehead, drop aim. As the breath comes out, drop the aim in the outer space and the inner space. and doing nothing, just remain as you are, maintaining awareness of the state and the experiences that you have, the awareness of the body, the stillness, some tingling sensation all over the body, awareness of the breath, calmness within. So instead the mind moves to the other thoughts. Again, awareness of the body, stillness, sensation, awareness of the breath, looking deep inside the state of the calm.